One of the most frequently questioned I'm been asked, do I believe in aliens? I'm one of the people on the planet who have been under stars for more than 99% of the population, and I've never seen a UFO because every unusual object I have seen, I found a natural reason for it. But that doesn't mean that I do not believe there are other advanced beings outside of planet Earth across the galaxy. I'm Babak Tafreshi, originally from Iran, born in Tehran. I'm a photographer for National Geographic. Night sky photography is, on one hand, is the art of handling the light, but the other hand is planning and timing. In order to see it, you have to get away from the city lights or any source of light pollution. Atacama Desert gives you one of the best access to the southern night sky. You have more than 300 nights per year with clear sky. The Milky Way galactic core becomes very high, almost overhead in the sky. Quality of the night sky with the culture and natural landscape of Atacama Desert makes it a very unique place on the planet. The nightscape photography which I do is a combination of art and science and culture. Only a certain time of the year you can see the Milky Way rising. There's a certain time, exact second, for a solar eclipse. So it's all about timing, and astronomy has been the science which gives us the exact time from the very beginning of civilization. Every second, the star or object is moving in your picture. It becomes more visible in the image.